Hey guys, this is Shuman from ASA Technical. Today I am going to show you how to fix Network Advanced File Sharing problem in Windows 10 April 2018 update. There are several reasons that could cause this to happen. The problem could any. It could be because of the damaged Ethernet patch cable, if not properly configured the IP address. If the network discovery options are turned off in the advanced sharing settings, and one of the recent causes in Windows 10 April 2018 updates, some features of the file sharing over a network have changed, including the removal of home group in the latest version of Windows 10. Whatever the issue, don't worry about it. By following these instructions in this video, you can easily get the solution of this advanced file sharing problem. Well, let's get started. Alright, before you continue the procedure, you must make sure that Number 1 must be your both PC are connected with good quality of Ethernet patch cable. Number 2. Both computers' Internet Protocol version 4, I mean IP version 4, must be properly configured with the correct IP address. And number 3, make sure that by following all these network discovery options must be turned on from the advanced sharing settings, as you can see. Alright, now just follow me properly as I'm doing. Now click on Start menu icon. Just scroll down. Next, click on Windows Administrative Utility folder. Next, click on Component Services. Next, click on Services. Then click on Standard View. Now just scroll down and find DNS Client Service. As you can see. Now just double click on it to check whether startup type is automatic or not. As you can see, startup type shows automatic. If not, then at first select startup type automatic. Then click on Apply and then OK. Alright, now just scroll down to looking for function discovery provider host. Now just double click on it to check whether startup type is automatic or not. If not, then select startup type automatic. Then click on Start button. Then click on Apply and then OK. Next, click on Function Discovery Resource Publication just below the Function Discovery Provider host. Now do the same procedure with Function Discovery Resource Publication. Just double click on it. Select Startup Type Automatic. Then click on Start button. Then click on Apply. Then OK. Alright, now just scroll down to looking for SSDP Discovery. Once you found this, then do the same procedure with SSDP Discovery. Just double click on it. Select Startup Type Automatic. Then click on Start button. Then click on Apply. And then OK. Alright, now just scroll down to looking for UPnP device host. Once you found this, then do the same procedure with UPnP device host. Just double click on it, then select Startup Type Automatic. Then click on Start button. Then click on Apply and then OK. Next, you need to do the same with your another PC. Alright, now just follow me properly. Now just close all tabs. Now let's check it's working properly or not. Yeah, done. It's working properly as you can see. Alright, now these both computers are ready to be advanced sharing between them. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.